Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy, messy updo in less than 5 minutes. To start, I'm just popping a loose curl through the hair using my straighteners, but you can actually do this on straight hair as well. Once you've got everything curled, just apply some dry texture spray all over the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of volume powder at the roots on the crown, as my client has quite fine hair. Gather that crown section to the back of the head and gently twist it in one direction all the way down to the end. Now all we're going to do is twist into a little bun in the middle of the head, tucking the ends underneath. This doesn't have to be perfect. Then just secure all the way round with a few bobby pins. And once everything's nice and secure, just use your fingers to pinch and pull at that bun just to increase the volume and texture. Next, I'm going to take all the hair from the right hand side from the ear upwards, leaving a little bit out to frame the face. Then twist all the hair in one direction and then just wrap that twist around itself to create another little bun, tucking the ends underneath. Make sure this bun slightly overlaps that first bun in the middle. Then just hold it to the head and again secure with as many bobby pins as needed. Then just pinch and pull at your bun for more volume and texture. And we're going to repeat the same on the left hand side, so take all the hair from the ears upwards, twist the hair all in one direction and create your bun by wrapping it around the base. Don't forget to slightly overlap it with the bun in the centre. Then secure it with a few bobby pins around the outside. Fluff up your bun by pinching and pulling. Then we're going to take the remaining hair and again we're just going to create a bun by twisting it all the way to the end and wrapping it around itself, keeping it as close to the other buns as possible. Then secure it to the head with as many bobby pins as needed and pinch and pull for more texture and volume. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.